Good morning, everyone. This is September the 26th, 2025. Time is 9:45. Just placed a trade of NQ going south. Looks like it's pretty good. It's going to go further down. That's what we're hoping. We can cash it right now here about $1,000 or so. Not a bad idea. So, although it is going to go down, but let's cash this $1,000. What do you think? Or should we keep going down? Yes, this may be a temporary going upwards, but it is will continue to go down. We are already at $1,000. We can call it a day, and that's the way it goes. Should we do that? That's a question. Oh well, we did we make or did we lose anything? Well, we are still coasting here. I think it would have been a good idea to take 1,000 and call it a day. So yeah, all right. I'll hang in there just to make a point here that our trade is well placed, and it is going to go further down, and we'll be able to take at least 2,000 out of this here. All right. Let's watch and see. Although right now it is cutting into a profit, and maybe it will spank us a little bit here, telling us, "Oh, what did you do? You could have taken your $1,000 and be out of it and go do something else, right?" All right. Let's see how much a hickey we are going to get here. It's a good thing to learn. This is one way of learning things. That when you have the money, put it in your pocket and walk away, right? All right, we shall wait and see. I'm still fully confident, although we are hitting an upward loss of $1,000. But I keep my hopes high. We are going to make it. We are going to make and we are going to make it big. Yeah, that's how you live and learn. We are not going to ultimately lose. We may, at some point I will have to, oh, better yet, I haven't done that. That's the first thing I should have done, is to place a stop loss on it.
Order submitted.
So that we don't lose our shirt in this here. So all right, right now we are at 640 loss, and maybe it will turn in our favor. I hope so. Yeah. Although it appears it's not looking good, right? From $1,000 in our pocket, we have gone down almost again the same amount. We could walk away with it. A bad idea. Well, we'll see here. Here is our litmus test coming up. Is it going to push upward today's trades, or is it the sellers will come into play and will make our money? See, did you see that we had 1,000 in our pocket, and we gave away. One thing is that, as I said at that point, I could have cashed it, and that would have been a better strategy, and then again take a down trade and make another $1,000 right from the top. Would it work that way? Well, let's find out. We are cutting close, and we looks like we'll get busted here. And if it is, it is. It is what it is. We shall see. I'm still hanging in there. We're going to recover this one way or the other. But was it a smart thing to do to let go the $1,000? No, I would agree with you, all of you. It's. Hey, listen, bird in hand, right? So we could have taken that little pocket change, and then come back, and still, if we feel like the trade is going to go in our favor, going south, we could have done it. We could still do it. But all right, we'll hang in there, just to show you that we have our level of confidence that when we place a trade, it is going to go in our direction. Looks like, but see, then again, I think the right approach should have been take it and run with it, and didn't do it. So why don't we do this here? let's see, it is testing my wisdom here that it doesn't look that good. Market looks like it's turned around and maybe going upward. So we can take our cash. Well, we have lost about $1,100 here. All right. Let's see. I've placed the trade, as you see. We have put a stop loss on it, and it's about to hit it and take away, or what, at least $1,200, maybe more. All right. Oh yay! It may do that very well. It may do that. All right. So be it. I guess then we'll take an upturn. I mean, if that's what it is, it is. Or would it go in our favor? Oh, looks like it's coming back. We were right, we were right, we were right. We may arrive. And if this goes down this time, my brothers and sisters, friends everywhere, it's going to be a Hail Mary. Well, let's see. I hope this fun and laughter is not... I'm not mocking it, but I'm just enjoying. This is the thrill of trading. But I think still, I come back to it. We should have cashed it and gone back, up, taken the trade up, and we would have made more money. See, we lost $1,000 when it went up, right? So if we would have placed a trade at the top, $1,000 by now would have been in our pocket. So we were already... we got our 1,000 and we would have been $1,000 plus. Now we have to start all over again to make that money. Will it go in our favor? Let's find out. I still feel like it will go in our way. So let's see. Although I went into trade early this morning. Usually I wait and do after 9, but today I thought, okay, let's try this here also. All right. Have I pushed my luck? We don't know that yet. All right. This time, if we get the cash 1,000, we'll put in our pocket and walk away. How about that, right? Or since it has gone into this domain here where it is vacillating. We could cash it out and let it determine again which way the market is heading. We can do that, right? We can, as they say, cut our losses and run. So it's vacillating. It's deciding. Buyers and sellers are pushing each other, and they are saying, well, we will not let this go further up. Others are saying we will push it down. So that's what goes on, and this is what happens in the market all day long. But I think we should be smart enough to know when to cash our checks, right? All right. Our fruit of labor, although we had an opportunity here to cut this out and even up on this here, I'm still hoping that it is going to go down. It is right now vacillating between very close range. So how about that if it gives an opportunity where I could break even, meaning that we could close the deal here and then get back into the trade. The trade, we are hoping it will work in our direction. Looks like it may not be in our favor. So, or will it be? That's $1 million question, right? See, when I got into this trade here, I went right into the combat zone. Usually the safe way to do trade is that get out of the combat zone and then go in there. But this is a good test here. No matter how much you learn and how much skills you have and how long you've been doing this here, it's still, every time, it is a test of one's skills, right? Okay. Well, we're hanging in there. Well, if it is, we'll take the licking and then we'll go back and make our money, right? So as you see, it has given us an opportunity several times here we can take a hit. No, we are not going to take a hit. All right. Hey. Now is the true test coming up. Is it going to go up from here? And if it does, I'll have to call it a downtrade. Adios, amigo. And if it does not, then we got a lot of hay to make. All right, we'll see. We are in a very close combat situation. It looks like it may be in our favor. Although they say fortune favors the brave, but when it comes to money matters, I don't think we need to put our ego or blow our chest up or thump our chest and saying, "Oh, we're right, we are right." You can never be right when you're in the market. You have to calculate each step to see that the trades you're placing is going to make you money, or are you going to lose your shirt. Losing a shirt is not a good idea. What you do is that you say, okay, I am willing to take this much as a hit if the trade goes against you. So I'm determined to take a hit of $1,000 here. Usually it is good to cut it off at 250 or maximum 500 a trade. But all right, we'll see here. Am I being being a cowboy here? Well, hailing from Texas, you never know when you don your hat and you say, okay, I got you my boots on, my spurs on, and I'm going to kick this horse. Sometimes your horse can get a licking too. So, this is the real test here. If it is, it's going to cross that threshold where I feel like it may go back down, and another test is coming up where my stop loss is. If it crosses that, then the market has gone not in our favor. Meaning where I started hoping that we will go down. So, all right. It gave me an opportunity to level up with that, to cut my losses and run. I didn't do it, and that's a tune you face. I am still hope. You never hope. Yeah, either you have it right or you got it wrong. Up to this point, although it is giving us a hit for now, my experience tells me that the market will go south, will go down. But past experience is as good as your present experience, which turns into in your history pretty fast. It's not encouraging what I'm looking at. Let's see. All right. When you go into the trade and you flaunt your knowledge, you get sometimes you get a good bite out of you. So, okay, all right. Sometimes you pay a price of getting into the trade too early. I would have waited after 9 to get in, which is past 10 New York time. So now it is again a crucial point, and we have our stop loss there. That's the one I'm referring to as my crucial point. If it breaks that barrier, then it is not in our favor. And usually the way it is going to make a very quick decision here. Market is either going up or going down. We were $1,000 up, now we are almost $800 down. What do you think? What should have been done? Right? We should have taken our money and run, right? And then come back. Oh, we lost it. Looks like the market is going another direction. It may still turn around. You don't know. So what we'll do is we'll sit tight, we'll wait, and we'll see uh, to again make a place a trade here. So all right, I'm going to still wait here and see, not make quick decision here. Now this is past that time where we should have been the trade, but you remember we had 1,000 in our pocket and we didn't cash it. End up losing $1,000 there. Okay. All right, we shall see here if this is a point where they decide to take the market slightly up and then go back down. Still looks like it's a good back and forth going on between buyers and sellers, and it looks like it's going to go a little bit further up, and it may continue to do so. At some point, it has to make the market makers have to make up their mind which way they want to go. Are they going to take the market up? Then it will be. The market has been going up, and that $1,000. Oh, you cry. You had 1,000 in your pocket. You let it go. In fact, you turned around and took a bite of not the 1,000 which you made, but the 1,000 you have lost already, right? Okay, all right. We'll make it up, no worries. But smart thing would have been to cash it. Take your money and run, right? Yeah, okay, all right. We'll see. Hang in there, hang in there. I've not made a decision yet to trade because I want to see that we got a good downtrend or not. And if it does, then we are in business. Now you see that it is going down, and one may say, "Oh, go in, and make a trade." No, I am going to still wait. I'm going to wait a bit more, and now that it's past time, I should be fully confident, unless they want to keep the market in that tight range. We shall see. If I had not put the stop loss at that point, which was the right thing to do, I mean, $1,000 is a fairly large amount to lose. We could have made our money now that it is going down, but that's okay. That's part of the trading. There is something for all of us to learn over and over again when it is a good time to place a trade or not. Before 10 a.m. New York time, don't go into trade. That's a number one lesson. And now the number two lesson would be that when you have the money is on the table for you, grab and run. You can always come back and fight another day, right? All right. Still have not made up mind, although it is going south. Is it a good time to place a trade? I am no, not yet. I will still wait to see that if the trend is established. It looks like it has. I will still give it a little bit more time. A little bit more time. All right, why don't we do this here until we decide which way we are going again? Either we're going to place a trade to go up or to go down. Why didn't we place a trade? I ignored one factor. We could have made our $1,000 back, but now we'll wait. So why don't we stop this here and we'll make another trade video a little later. All right. Good lesson to learn, right? Don't you go away. I'll be back with another trade.